heat 7. Heat 7 of 12, still chasing the 50.9 from Abhi Singh of Sri Lanka. This is Yusuf Al-Fatrushi of United Arab Emirates, lane 6. Al-Fatrushi with an entry time of 51.46 on his way to the win in Heat 7. And a 50.49. Al-Fatrushi now on for top qualifier unofficially representing United Arab